Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be opening the Polteagest V-Box. It's a promo box that's just come out for Rebel Clash. Let's get into it straight away. So we need to get rid of this very delicately. See what we got. Try and get this out. So there's the promo code. Pretty decent. To be honest, it wasn't really a Pokemon that I used in the game. So we got the big card as well. Let's put that there. Let's see what packs we got. So we got a Rebel Clash, 2 Rebel Clash, Steam Siege. I don't know why they're doing X and Y still. And a Sword and Shield pack. Alright, get rid of that. So let's go with Steam Siege first, get that out of the way. I'm guessing it's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm gonna go Psychic. Bush. Oh no, there's no. Unless I've done it wrong. Jumpluff, Anorith, Ninja Boy, Rapidash, Marill, Litleo, Rufflet, Fungus, Ponyard, and a shiny Needle King, which is pretty cool actually. This is actually a pretty nice card actually. I like that. Keep that there. The Sword and Shield next. Now I know this one's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's go with Lightning. Bush. 4. Pokemon character. Drizzle. Evolution. Incense. Nikit. Chichu. Diglett. Forest Seed. Godine. Joltik. And Resurade. I have all of them. Alright, let's go with one Rebel. Actually, no, let's leave the Toxicity for later. Let's do Incinerate. One, 2, 3, 4. And let's go with Psychic this time. Oh, fine again. Training Corp, Lampent, Medicham, Galarian Corsola, Toxel, Galarian Mr. Mime, Snova, Pidove, Galarian Meowth Reverse Holo, and a Snorlax. So far, nothing taken out of the box. Nada thing. Apart from the cool looking Nidoking. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then go with. It's not going to be fine again, surely. Water. No way. Okay. Fighting. Heliosque. Double Blade. Heracross. Meditate. Grubbin. Electabuzz. Natu. Ponyard. Stone Journal. I think I need that. And Whiscash. So yeah, that's literally it. That's pretty much the only 2 decent things in the box, and you get one anyway. So yeah, that was pretty pointless to be honest. But also today we're going to be opening 4 Sword and Shield packs and 4 Rebel Clashes. So let's do the Sword and Shield first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ambush. Water. I forgot to guess. Damn it. Drizzle. Bishop. Evolution. Incense. Ghastly. Poniard. Sizzipede. Yamper. Cobblefus. Schnum. And Dreadnought. Look at the sank out this little, surely. 2, 3, 4. Skadoosh. Water again. I don't know why it was like that, but why is it like that? Furhorn. Reboot. Lumberry. Sizzipede. Schnump. Meanwhile. Grosslip Filler. Goldeen. Siniste. And a Shiny Rhyperior. This pack opening is awful. Awful, I tell you. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Skadoosh. Fire. Dugtrio. Switch. Energy Retrieval. Yampa. Skorupi. Clobbopus. Wallow. Sobble. Gossifur. Versalo. And a Toxic Croak. I don't know if I need that or not. It's probably the most decent thing we got all day. Okay, so last Sword and Shield pack. One, 2, 3, 4. Let's go with fighting. Bear in mind we've had loads. Fire. I'll go with fire. Switch. Energy Retrieval. Drizzle, Clobbopus, Ghastly, Rakitty, Sizzipede, Schnum, Goldeen, and a Snorlax. Well, this pack opening has been absolutely dire. So let's go with the new Rebel Clash. Let's see if Toxicity to last. This is the new pack, so hopefully we can get something decent. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go water. Ah, see, definitely something decent in this one. Metapod, Tool Scraper, Dan, Clefairy, Voltorb, Nosepass, Wingull, Phantom, Snova, and another Stonjourner. So maybe it wasn't that decent. One, 2, 3, 4. Fire. All done. Capture Energy. Charger Bag. Shuckle. Bronzor. Toxel. Applin. Galarian Darumaka. Funnel Boy. Anglash. And Propass. Okay. Second from the last pack. One, 2, 3, 4. Steel. Leaf. Lampent. Galarian Mine. Bronzong. Impint. Shinx. Sandygas. Roly-Coly. Stunky. Electabuzz. And Tilium V. Finally, something decent in this actual pack opening. Finally. We actually got something. So, the last pack is a Toxicity, which I hope will have a Toxicity in it. The way my luck's going today, probably not. 2, 3, 4. Last pack lock. Lightning. Still. Dan. Twin Energy. Phalanx. Vulpix. Phantom. Galarian Farfetch'd. Squivit. Galarian Mr. Mime. Galarian Meowth, and a Gardevoir. That was probably the worst pack openings I've ever done on this channel, and I've done a few. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video as much as I didn't. Speak to you guys soon with the next video. Thank you.